do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Yes, that is a leaf or branch that I am holding in my hands. Today we are decorating my fall tree in my family room, and I am going for a more rustic, playful, whimsical elegance. And I decided that I wanted to grab some of these branches from off my tree and place them inside of the tree. It's a economical way of decorating, but it's also being creative and using what you have. There are some items that I did purchase from the Dollar Tree, but there are some items that I got from outside, from the natural elements that God has blessed us with. And I just decided to grab some of the branches and stack them in. It also adds a more organic feel to the tree, as if it was outside in its natural habitat, I guess, if it was a real tree. By the way, this is a King of Christmas tree, and it is absolutely beautiful. I will definitely have the link down in the description box for it if you are interested in purchasing it. It is stunning, and oh my gosh, at night it just looks so beautiful. But all of the beautiful fall colors just elevates it, and you don't really have to add a lot to this tree because it's beautiful on its own. But I wanted to really add that autumnal touch to it to make it feel, and like autumn and festive, like autumn in New York. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and enjoy the music.
I can't believe you love me, oh, oh, oh. I just feel so lucky, oh, oh, oh. Still can't believe you love me. It never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah.
So this is what the tree is looking like with just the leaves from outside. It looks so good. I mean, I really could just stop right here and that's it, but I wanted to keep going. So I thrifted this the other day. You guys saw that in a video. I thrifted these beautiful fall leaves. They are from Walmart. I don't remember the original price, but I got it for 99 cents, and I think that day it was 50% off, and I got it for 50 cents. So I am so happy that I was able to thrift that and get it, and it just looks so great on the tree. It adds a little bit of glam, sophistication to the tree while still maintaining that autumnal feel that I am going for.
Hold me tight through the night.
So now I'm going to be just adding some little fall garlands that I got from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. And I am just loving these little animals, you guys. They remind me of the forest. And it's just super rustic and woodland to me. So I love the way that this tree is turning out. You could actually peep my son in the background right there. He came in and he just was like, Mom, I really love the tree. It looks so nice. It looks so festive. And that's what my hope is for my family, to love our home and love our spaces and all these fall decor. It's not, I don't decorate for me. I decorate for my family, and hope and pray that it's cozy and it's a welcome and welcoming environment for when we get home. We can come home to something cozy and beautiful and, luxurious, but at the same time, you're able to enjoy all of the different aspects of the decorating. It's not overpowering. It doesn't feel overwhelming. It's just comfortable and welcoming and cozy. And that's what I love about decorating for the different seasons is you can add different touches. You can be as high end, you can be cozy, you could be cottage, you could be farmhouse, glam, modern, like whatever it is that you want to be. But as long as you have that element of home within your decorating, it's always going to feel uniquely like you and geared towards you and your family. And so I love to decorate with my family in mind, that when we sit and we're watching movies or whatever, that we can just look around and just be blessed by the ambiance. Because decorations, it does speak to you. It speaks a language that is like, whether it's cozy, whether it's overwhelming or busy or just too much, it's definitely speaking to you, and you can feel that vibe from whatever decorations is in your home. This is why I keep a neutral palette, like all my walls, my furniture, I keep it very neutral, because I need for it to speak that calm and peace and quietness, tranquility to myself and my family when we are in our space. And then for the seasons, I can add, the seasonal touches to the neutral palette and just make it feel like home. So I hope that you guys are also feeling that same vibe. I am now adding some ribbons. I got these little velvet ribbons from Amazon, and I will link them down below for you. And I'm just tying them to the tree. They're simple, but it gives like that beautiful, elegant feel. Now, this is a tree collar that I got from Walmart. It's actually a one piece, but I took the half of the one and put it on this tree, and then the other half is on my other tree. So that's also another tip. You can take your tree collars and you can separate them. And if you have more than one trees, you can go ahead and separate them and use it, one for one tree and one for the other tree. Because for me, I don't decorate behind my tree. There's no need to. So I go ahead and I, break it in half, and I use one for one tree and one for the other. And you'll never know. It looks like a whole tree collar. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some ribbons, because, a tree is just not a tree without ribbons, right? So I got this ribbon from Dollar Tree as well. I'm telling you, Dollar Tree kind of stepped up their game this year, you guys. But I got this ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I just think that it looks so beautiful. And I just love the way that this turned out. This is quite possibly my favorite tree so far in the entire house. I just love how whimsical and simple it looks, but it still has like that festive fall touch.
It's just us two, me and you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. held something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought
So this is what my living room looks like right now as I'm putting up my tree, and I'm getting ready to decorate my fireplace as well. So stay tuned for that video because it will be coming up very soon. But this is what it looks like. The, organized chaos. I love the way that everything turned out though, and I love the fall feeling. I mean, this is the front of my home, and y'all, it is beautiful. My husband asked me, do you want me to, get the leaf blower and blow the leaves? I'm like, no, leave it. It's just so beautiful and so festive, and I just love it so much. I love that all the leaves are falling off and that they are this beautiful mustard gold, and it just looks stunning. So I love it. So this is the way that the tree turned out. I love it so much. It's so classic. It's so traditional. It's festive. It's moody. I love everything about it, you guys. And I hope that you guys love it too. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys have a fall tree, if you're decorating a tree this year for fall. If not, would you ever do a fall tree in your home? And if you would, what would be your theme? So thank you guys so much for joining today, watching the video. Thank you for your support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. Searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When the time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note.